Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to delete your created video on Pixverse, then this video is for you. So right now I'm on the Pixverse. Where you can do is you can delete a video. So for that you have to do is simply at the left side you can find a bunch of options. So from here you can find the mine section where you can find asset. Simply click on it where you can find all of your video, your album, fusion and characters, also some saved videos from here. Also if you want to delete all of this, you have to hover over to that video where you can find the trash can button or dustbin button here. So simply click on this button and you can find that there is a caution that are you sure you want to delete this file. This action can be undone. So if you are sure, then simply click on OK and this video will be deleted. Here you can see deleted. So you actually can't recover this deleted video on Pixverse. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.